welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal the Gypsy, and in today's video we are traveling to, or we've traveled to, Baltimore, Maryland. So I'm super excited for you, so let me show you around our room. Alright, here's our room at the Renaissance Baltimore Harborplace. Right as you walk in, you've got a nice big bathroom. Let me turn on some lights for y'all. I can already see no shower curtain. Wow! No shower curtain. Love it. I love the marble looking tile. I feel like this bathroom's been updated since the last time we were here. I'm about to look at the last video of when we were here and see. And it's got a barn style door, Ronnie's favorite. Hopefully this one doesn't squeak like the last one. And then we've got some more sliding doors for the closet. Ironing board, some hangers, your luggage rack, all that fun stuff. Let me see. Oh, it said, let there be light. All right, so basic king room. I'm hoping and I think that we have a view of the harbor. So we got a nice king bed, some side tables. My favorite feature of these rooms is no. Oh, this is gonna kill me. What is her name? She's my favorite jazz singer. And Billie Holiday, thank you. Billie Holiday, my favorite jazz singer. So on the side tables, we've got a nice thing where you can plug up everything. There's a couple plugs. You got storage. And then you've got the TV, which I think this is a mini fridge, ice bucket, some drawers. This is the safe. And then you've got a full-length mirror there to check out your fit. And then you've got a workstation with a Keurig machine. I never use these things, but they're there if you want them. Some more plugs, desk lamp. I'm guessing in here, if I can get it open, but oh, it's because you lift it up. Whoops. There's all the coffee and fixins. Some waters. Another sitting area with a funky lamp. Some more drawers on this side table. The phone. And then I did notice, I don't remember these from the last time, these little reading lamps on the side of the bed. I feel like those are new. I don't remember those. And then my favorite part of any hotel tour, the view. So let's check out this view. I'm gonna turn off these lights so we can get a really good view. All right, y'all, let's see our view of Baltimore. Oh, of course, we have a beautiful view of Inner Harbor. Love it. I don't see the constellation. It's gone, the masts are down. Unless that's not the constellation right there. That's where the holiday market is. You see it down right over there. Let's see if I can zoom in. So yeah, where that this light is right here, that's the windmill that's usually going. So that's where they have the holiday market. We're gonna try to go there tomorrow night. We're only here for a day, and I'll tell you why in a second. There's the ice skating rink, all the shops. So we got a nice little view. And so the reason why we are here is because, I don't know if you can see it on my camera, that light right there behind both of those buildings says M&T Bank Stadium. All right, so I turn on some lights so you can see me now. So if anybody's ever been to Baltimore and you're familiar with M&T Bank Stadium, then you know that is the home stadium of the Baltimore Ravens. Now, against everything that I am, I should be a Baltimore fan, but I'm not, because I love Edgar Allan Poe, which is the whole reason why they're called the Ravens. My favorite color is purple. I have family that is from here, but I am not a Baltimore Ravens fan. I am a Steelers fan. I've even got an outfit that I've kind of like worn up here. So tomorrow is the first season game of the Baltimore Ravens versus the Steelers, and we're going to that game tomorrow. So I am in enemy territory right now. I don't know how I feel about being in Baltimore. This is my first this is my first Baltimore Steelers game. However, this is my first Baltimore Steelers game in Baltimore. So I'm not sure how this is gonna go. But we have some friends that are coming with us that are also Steelers fans. So we're gonna have like a little group with us, but we're only here Saturday night and we're checking out tomorrow. So we'll go to the game and then hopefully we'll be able to pop down to the Christmas market before we go. So yeah, this is our room. This is where we're staying. I'm super excited to be back in Baltimore because like I said, I love this city. But tonight and tomorrow, I don't love Baltimore. Anyways, let me know down in the comments if you guys have stayed at this hotel before or if you're interested in staying at this hotel. I can show you a little bit more. We're on the club level. So right as you get off the elevators, there is a club lounge. However, it's closed this weekend, naturally. So I can't show you the club lounge, but they've got like a restaurant downstairs and it's centrally located in the harbor. So there's restaurants and bars everywhere. So let me know down in the comments if you stayed here before, if you enjoy staying here, if you've been to Baltimore. Let me know if you're an Edgar Allan Poe fan because I have an Edgar Allan Poe video coming for a speakeasy that they do around the country. So drop an Edgar Allan Poe love raven for me down in the comments if you're a EAP fan. Morning, everybody. The world says hello from Baltimore. But as you can see, I'm in my Steelers outfit because we're going to a Steeler game today. But before we do that, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the Renaissance Hotel here. So we've stayed here a few times, but there are a few things that I didn't necessarily cover maybe the last time I did a video, and I just didn't mention it this time. But the water pressure in the shower is horrible. No water pressure like at all. It does come with a wand though. So it has like a shower head and then like a wand so you can, you know, move around and rinse and stuff like that. We didn't make it down for breakfast per the usual, but we did have free breakfast. And the room needs a little bit of updating. Like the entertainment center where they have like drawers and the mini fridge, the doors are like kind of coming off the hinges a bit. The bed, it was really comfortable. I slept really well. So the beds are comfortable. They have like a, what would you say? Like a medium kind of firmness, softness, kind of in between. The sheets did pull back. Or I pulled back the sheets and I didn't see any like, you know, bugs or anything like that. So A+ there. I did use the workstation a little bit. They don't have enough plugs, but they have like this little box thing that plugs into the wall that then gives you, like, it's like a power, almost like a power strip, but it's a power cube. Oh, downstairs, they do have a pool, an indoor pool. Downstairs, they have like a little convenience store that's like independently owned just like next to the lobby inside of the hotel. I would not go there unless you absolutely have to. The guy tried to charge me $8.99 for like a little patch of like the Maryland flag. I was like, what do you get these for like 25 cents? And you've marked them up like 8,000%? No. And the drinks, same thing. So we got drinks that were like, what, $4 each almost? Just for like a Pepsi, and which, I mean, I guess that's normal at any convenience store, but still. So if you can kind of get those maybe elsewhere, I would. But if you need to in a pinch, they have like memento items like patches, stickers, hoodies, shirts, shot glasses, keychains, all kinds of like Maryland, Baltimore, Ravens kind of memorabilia and stuff like that. They have drinks, chips, snacks, all of that. So if you need it in a pinch, and they have like a little like first aid section as well, like any kind of toiletry needs that you might have. They did have that. So like I said, only if you need it in a pinch, it is there. Downstairs, they have like a cafe where you can, and a cafe bar where you can get, you know, drinks. We didn't make it to breakfast, so I have no idea where the restaurant is. But, oh, it's on the 5th floor. Good to know. But otherwise, you know, it's a good stay. I want to show you our view. I'm all ready to go to the Steeler game. I want to show you our view of the harbor during the day. Beautiful, beautiful city. Look, there's people at the skating rink over there. And the Christmas market, they got like a Ferris wheel going on. And yeah, we're going to try and hit that up later. The other thing I wanted to mention about this hotel was the parking. So the parking is not like part of your hotel stay. When you get into the garage, unless you find street parking, oh, good luck. When you get into the garage, you have to scan a QR code, and then it'll give you options to do like 2 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 2 days, 4 days. Like it'll give you an option of how many days like you want to do it or how much time you need. So for us, we're only here for the day. However, because we are titanium, we do get a 4 p.m. checkout. We, even though we get a 4 p.m. checkout, the game does not end until 4, which means that's past our time that we're going to be here. So we purchased 24 hours. So we have until 11:30 tonight to keep our car parked, but we'll be out of the room. Now for 24 hours, it cost us $36 for a full 24 hours to park. So I'll try to put the pricing of the parking here on the screen. And I will also put down in the description the link for the last video of when we were here at the Renaissance. So you can kind of watch that because I got Ronnie a little giggly. Because I was, one of our last trips here, we went somewhere and yeah, but I'll leave it in the description. It's a funny video. And I'll see you at the game then. So I'm going to wrap up here and we're going to pack things up and then we're going to head to the game because we're meeting some friends downstairs. So I'll see you in a bit.
Good stuff.
All right.
Jolly Rancher shots all around.
All right.
You're welcome. You enjoy. Let me know how they came out.
Cheers, everybody. Go Steelers.
Go Steelers.
Yes. Sanders finds him for 1 yard.
Y'all see that score, right? Steeler Nation came to play. Y'all, so we're back from the game. We won. Go Steelers. Let me know down in the comments if you're a fan of the Steelers or if you're a fan of Baltimore. But now we're headed over to the Christmas market, which is right across the street from our hotel. And we have the lovely sounds of Baltimore in the background. So, look at him, he got the moves. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I like your shoes, by the way. Happy holidays. John, that looks pretty good.
I already got my notes.
It just takes a moment to enter.
In here because they got post stuff. So we might have to get some.
Yes, it's $10.
Only when you're in Baltimore. And they got crystals and everything. I just got some stuff from there. Collective Curiosity. I got myself some treats because when you're in Baltimore, you gotta get some post stuff. There's all kinds of shops. We got candles, jewelry, winter wear. You can get all your drinks and stuff here at the windmill. Oh, I think we saw them at the DC market. Yeah. Where you can do like city maps. Yeah. They have a Christmas village that you can go into, but it costs money to go in there, and we're not going to pay to go in this time because we're kind of pressed for time, but it's a whole bunch more shopping and stuff in there. And I think last time we came they had like live music and places to sit and get warm, so yeah. lentil and potato house. And then over here you've got sandwiches and smoked brats and pretzels. And they've got a raclette stube. These are sandwiches. They've even got a carousel for the kiddos. We're gonna walk down here and look at some of the rest of the shops and then head out. Alright, so I've decided to get some hot chocolate. Now I can either do a classic hot chocolate or a boozy hot chocolate. And the boozy hot chocolate is spiked with Bailey's, Maker's Mark Irish coffee with whipped cream, or a peppermint spiked hot chocolate. Let me know down below what you guys would get. Thinking of either the Maker's Mark or the peppermint. I don't know, I'll let you guys know in a second. There, the pricing. Oh, that looks so good.
If you want to try it off the hill, it's fun too.
So they wouldn't let me get it in a to-go cup because it's an alcoholic drink. So I got myself a little mug to take with me. And then I got some